I'm Stephen Moore, and this is my wife, Jemana Moore. I run a company called the Site Foreman, and we do architectural plans for residential homes.
I work alongside the Site Foreman. My company is House to Home Finishes, and we look after the interior design, a one-stop shop to your building and renovating needs.
Our favourite job, or from my point of view, would be a project that we recently completed, a new home in Croydon, and the client came to us with an image of, it was basically an image of a doll's house, and she said, this is what I've always wanted. I've always wanted a house to look like this. And that's what we did. We gave our architect that as a brief. We worked with the client. Whilst it's not pink, it's green. We've delivered that dream home that client wanted. And just today we received an email, inviting all of the staff to the housewarming that they're throwing in a couple of weeks' time. So, yeah, it's great.